guys, thank you so much for joining my first ever YouTube video. Today, I'm going to be making super easy taco bites. These are perfect as an appetizer for entertaining, and you're going to love how easy they are to make. The best part is, everyone's going to love them because you can never go wrong with anything taco, right? To make these, you're going to need self-rising flour, Greek yogurt. It's going to have to be plain, and you can use whole fat or fat-free. I personally use full fat when baking. It just adds a little more flavor. For the filling, you're going to need taco meat. This is already pre-cooked. I just cooked this. You can use your favorite taco seasoning, your homemade taco seasoning, taco meat, cheddar cheese. You're going to need 1 egg for an egg wash, and sesame seeds. Let me show you how to make it. To make your dough, you're only going to need, as I said, 2 ingredients. Now what I'm going to do is just add my Greek yogurt in the flour. And remember, this is self-rising flour. If you don't have this, it's actually really easy to make at home, so fear not. I usually start to work this with a spoon because it can get a little messy, and once it forms into a ball, we're going to roll it out on a lightly floured surface. Once your dough is formed into a ball just like this, it should be relatively soft to the touch. Make sure your surface is lightly floured, and then I'm also going to flour the top so it doesn't stick on my rolling pin. I'm going to take my rolling pin and gently push it down and roll it. Just like this. All right, so I have rolled my dough out into a rectangle. As you can see, it's relatively thin, but not too thin. It shouldn't be paper thin. You shouldn't be able to see through it. So what I'm going to do now, after my dough is rolled out on a flat surface, I'm going to take, and this is a 3-inch lid. I don't have a cookie cutter this size, so I'm going to have to improvise. This is just a lid from a coffee. I'm going to make cutouts as so throughout the whole rectangle that I have here. I'm going to work until this is all complete. All right, this is going to be my last one, I believe. Yeah, and you want to make sure that the dough doesn't stick to your surface. If you see that it is sticking while you're rolling it out, you may need to sprinkle some more flour. So what you're going to do here, you're going to take each one of these little circles that we cut out. You're going to take some of your taco meat, a little bit of cheese, like such, and then you're going to fold the ends in until you have a ball like this, and you're going to pinch the ends together and twist so it closes. And you have these little cute little guys, and we're going to lay them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Okay, as you see here, I have some dough left over. Don't be afraid to roll that up into a ball again and use up all this dough just like you previously did with the other ones. So I'm going to re-roll this on the surface, cut out my circles, fill them, and then I'm going to show you before I bake. Once all of your circles are filled and formed into balls, we're going to brush them with an egg wash and then sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. We're going to lightly brush just like this. All right. And now you are going to just sprinkle some sesame seeds on top of each of these, like this. All right, once you're done forming these taco bites and you have brushed them with the egg wash and sprinkled sesame seeds on top, you're gonna place them in a preheated oven, 20 to 25 minutes, and we're gonna check on them once they're golden brown. Guys, they're done. And I wish you could come here and smell my kitchen because it smells incredible. Look at these. Look at how incredible they look. They're so soft. My kitchen smells so good, and this is taco sauce. You can dip them in anything you want, or they're good just like this. All right, you ready to try these with me? Look at how good that looks. Wow, it smells amazing. So good. Look at that. Go make them. Tell me what you think. If you guys like this video, make sure you check out the link below for a detailed recipe and let me know what you think if you make it. I can't wait to hear from you, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.